Make your senator placket perfect like this as shown in the video. First and foremost, measure the length of your placket. The length we are working on is 14 inches while the weight is 1.5. Then turn your kaftan, the clothes you are working on, turn it to the back, iron it properly. Then what we measure as our placket, which is 14 inches, we measure it on the kaftan to get the guideline. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, you will be surprised how I make my plaquettes. But if you watch most of my videos in my channel, you will know how we are arrive at this place. Then take your 1.5, which is the width of the plaquette, fold it into to get the midpoint of it. The midpoint of 1.5 inches is 0.75. Then fold your kaftan at the tip as shown in the video like this. The essence of doing something like this is to get a better angle when we want to fix our plaquette, that is to get the line, the midpoint where our plaquette is going to be falling on. So if you are new to my channel, you will find this thing somehow, but if you are, maybe if you have been watching most of my videos, then this thing will be very easy to, like, you will understand. And if you want to learn how to make this plaquette, the link is on the description box. Check the description box to the link on how to make a perfect placket like this, the professional way. So this is the result of what we are having left. Can you see? So those two gator line indicate where we will be placing our placket. That is why we folded it in the first part. Then after you've done that, you take your down placket. This one I'm going to use for the down part. Then you fix it on it. Mind you, we will be using an Emmy gum to hold down the work before we sew on it, so we can have a perfect and clean result as for the finishing. So you place your placket, the down placket like this. I believe most of us know how to do this down placket. It's very easy. So you just have to fold the top of it, then fold both sides and fold it again for you to get how to make this down placket that we are going to be using. So after that, you cut out your hemi gum, you place it on it, then you iron. So the reason we are applying hemi gum on it is to actually hold down the work for us, to make it much more easier for us to be able to work on. So after you've done that, then you put your placket on it again, following the gator line that we did. That's why I said if you are watching my video for the first time, you will find it somehow. But if you watch most of my video, you definitely understand. So my subscribers will really know what we are actually doing here, because I got a message from someone telling me to make and to explain it very well. That's why I'm making this video. I have other ways of making plaquets. If you check the video on my channel, you will see it, but I just have to make this for a particular person, Lope to be precise. So I'm making this video for you, so you can actually see how I go about very explaining it very detailing. So I hope you find this video helpful. So can you see the midpoint of what we have? Can you see that our 0.5 that we folded in the beginning of the video, can you see it's really aligned with our plaquette? So this is how it's going to be. Then after you've done that, you've used your hemi gum to hold down all the necessary places. All we need to do is proceed to the machine. And please guys, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, share to others so they can learn and be a partaker of this video. So I believe we are here to learn in one way or two ways, in one or two ways rather. So please share the video to others, do well to subscribe, like, comment where you are watching the video from, so I can give a shout out to you in my next video. So after you've done that, then you sew on it, then you sew on the plaquette as shown in the video. Can you see? It's actually a simple way, just that the hemi gum is doing most of the work, because the hemi gum has helped us to hold down the plaquette very well. So it's for us to just sew along. And do well to watch the video to the end, because I'll be sharing you guys a tip on the final finishing about it, because there is a final finishing about the work that is going to make the work come out looking outstanding well. So what you need to do is just to take your time to sew. Why sewing? You don't need to maybe use your hand to shift or adjust the cloth. All we need to do is just make sure you use your hand to make sure that the cloth is not like you're not having rumple on it. Just using your hand to spread where it needs to be spread. So just sew gently on the tip of your placket, just sew across it to where we start. Just sew it round, and after you've done that, you reinforce it. Can you see what I'm doing? You reinforce it like this. And while we were making this, the opening of our placket was 7.5 inches. I do not remember to explain, but it's 7.5 that we did our opening of our neck. That is the placket of the neck. Then after you are done with that, the last phase of it is to proceed to the ironing table and iron it properly well from the back. Iron like the we ironing the cloth is going to make the work come out very nice. So all we need to do is iron from the back, then you iron on the front. So this is going to make your work come out very well, so that if there's any rumple, the iron can be able to straighten those parts up as shown in the video. Can you see? So if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, comment, like, and share to other people, and I will see you in my next video.